Let's have a look at a Caravan plastic repair using the innovative nitrogen plastic welder from Power-TEC. Before we start, we need to understand something. Welding with nitrogen gas creates the strongest welds possible because it eliminates oxidation of the plastic during the welding process. This unit features a built-in nitrogen generator, no extra gas bottle needed. Plug it in, attach your compressed air supply, press the control buttons, and we're ready to go. First, remove the paint and key up the plastic. We'll secure and tape the area if necessary. After that, we have to select the correct welding filler material from the wide range available from Power-TEC. On this Caravan bodywork repair, we are dealing with ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Therefore, ABS plastic welding strips will be used. To start the repair, carefully place the strip at 90 degrees to the substrate and apply downward pressure. Next, we direct the torch nozzle at approximately 45 degrees between substrate and welding material. As the surface melts, keep an even downward pressure on the strip and watch the flow of molten plastic. Continue pushing down, following the curvature of the panel. On completion of the weld, heat the reverse of the strip to remove it. A compression roller can be used to form the repair if necessary. A final touch to get a uniform weld. After cooling, the excess material can be removed and the repair sanded to the desired shape. Ready for the paint shop. All units can be serviced and repaired at our UK-based service centre in Southern Warwickshire.